Welcome to the N-Gauge tutorial for exporting yield data from FieldOps. Make sure you have a CropScan Ag Cloud account set up to import data to N-Gauge. To export yield data from CNH FieldOps, go to Setup, select Files, and then select Master Files. This will list the CN1 files available for your harvester. Select the master file to export, then select the three-dot icon under Actions and select Download. This will download the CN1 file, which will contain your yield data. Then go to the CropScan Ag Cloud portal, app.cropscanag.com, and log in to your account. Go to Import and Sync, then select the CNH Sync and Import. Select the harvest data year, then select Import CN1.zip file. Select the CN1 file that has just been downloaded and select Upload. Press the green Upload button once the file is checked and processed. The file will upload to the CropScan Ag servers and begin the processing steps. The yield and elevation data will be extracted from the CN1 file and ingested into the N-Gauge database. Note, due to the large size of the data, the import process can take a few hours.
Thank you for joining us, and find more tutorials at our website, cropscanag.com.